Hello. Can you hear me?
I can, yes.
Oh, okay, good.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Come on, let everybody in. All right, good afternoon, everybody. Mr. Medford,
Yes,
you're on behalf of who?
of plaintiff.
Of
Discover Bank.
Okay, all right, great. And do you want to take down?
No,
All right. Ms. Walker Bailey, if you want, I'm looking at what we have at 2 and 2:30. Do you want to just be on call or do you want to log in at 2 and 2:30?
I don't mind logging in, Judge.
It's up to you. I don't anticipate those are both going to be default motions, so.
Okay. So, Bill, do you want to just send me an email or something? You want me?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay. All right. I'm here.
Might be easier for you. Okay, sounds
Yeah,
good.
thank you. All
Okay.
right.
Thank you. All right, so Mr. Medford, we don't have anybody on for defendant. I know we had this on for a settlement conference previously. So, and we entered default judgment on liability only. So if you want to proceed with damages trial, you may proceed.
sure. Thank you, Your Honor. So filed with the court, looks to be on, at least from the docket, it states on March 31st, 2022. There's one that states certificate. It does include a little bit more than just the certificate of service. It's looks like 20 pages. Included in those 20 pages are statements of the Discover account that show the balance we've requested.
All right, and show me where that shows up there.
Sure. I'm trying to find it on my computer. I'm working with just one screen right now. It's a little difficult to navigate. Which one was- So So it should have two statements, two Discover statements, one dated 10/9/2020 to 10/30/2020, with the charge-off balance of $21,172.72. And then additionally, there on that same statement, it shows a internal charge-off, which is the amount that we requested in our complaint, the $21,165.32. That's the amount that we're asking for in principle.
Okay. All right, well, give me just a minute. Mr. Medford, let me. Yes. I'm going to join Mr. Leffler in a breakout room. I'll be back with you in just.
A request, right? So in principle, that's what amount we requested, principle.
Okay, so Mr. Medford,
Yes.
did you have something?
No, just the amount that we asked for in principle is on the statement, and at this time, defendant has made payments totaling $4,800 to our office. We're seeking the amount of $16,365.32.
Well, I can't grant that to you on a default judgment. And you don't have anybody here to testify about that, do you? I
To
don't have
testify.
any evidence of any payments that have been made. And the 21,000 is not the correct amount is what you're saying.
The payment we requested for, that we requested in our motion for default
Yes. Is what?
we should
Is
be,
not on the pleadings. It's not a default is based upon the pleadings. Mr.
right.
Medford. We're
And-
correct on that,
and
right? So
I-
$4,000 is not part of the pleadings, right? This
Yes, Your Honor,
money,
I'm
$4,000.
stating that payments have been made in the amount of $4,800.
Well, I appreciate your statement, but that's not good enough. Mr. Medford, you can't, you're the lawyer, right? You
Yes.
represent Discover Bank, right? Do
Right.
you have any evidence of what payments have been made?
I can screen share what I have, and that show that the payments have made to our office, showing the deductions that have been applied.
If you want to present evidence of what payments have been made and what the actual balance is, then I may be able to consider that. But as of right now, I can't not have an amount that I can base a judgment upon.
Let's see, financial. Okay. May I share my screen, Your Honor?
Probably need to let you give you permission here. Hold on. There we go. Okay.
Okay, can you see it?
Yes.
All right. So these are the payments that have made since the place from the beginning to end. It shows the balance that was placed in our office on the right, and the payments received on the left. And they'd been making payments regularly an amount of $400 each month until 5/21.
And so you have a record of 4 payments. And well, what is this cumulative column 4,800?
The 4,800 is the total number of payments that have been, the total amount of that is in the payments that have been made. So that'd be 12 payments that have been made.
Okay, so that's not the same as what you put in your order, correct?
I did not submit the order. I don't know if the order is the exact amount. I think that.
Well, you're the
Looks like-
lawyer showing up. You should know what you're representing this client. So you should know what the lawyers representing this client are submitting.
Right,
to
and
the court, right? Right. So,
Correct, Your Honor.
okay, don't. So right now it said $4,000. Was that as of the time that this was submitted? That was back in, so as of the time that was submitted, that was March 31. And so they've made 2 payments since then. So it's 4,800, right?
Right, Your Honor.
Okay. Gotcha. All right. Give me another minute. I'm going to join that breakout room again. Bill, I'd like you to join. Okay. Mr. Medford, after considering what we have, I don't have competent evidence of the damages, so I'll give you a choice. Do you want me to dismiss this for want of prosecution or find in favor of the defendants?
I would prefer a continuance in order to get that evidence to you if possible, Your Honor.
Okay, I will dismiss it for warrant of prosecution. All right, Mr. Medford. That's what we'll do. We'll get that order out to you.